welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on the Bugatti 32, old race car. So first of all, let's do this hardtop version. So just take your clippers, clip away at the wheels like this. Very good. Well, take and clean up the sprue cuts from these wheels. Alright, I'll leave the other kit over there for now. So take some glue. Just put it like that. Just put it on the table there and use that as a guide for it to be placed together like that. And then after that, just simply take some glue like that. Take the wheel. Put it like that. Take this wheel and put it like that. Get that axle in the center there. And put this wheel like that, just like the other side. Put that wheel like that. Get that axle in the center. Alright, there's that. And these parts is the steering wheel and a little stick shift or something. And this hardtop version doesn't need that. So you can just take this and use it for your bits bin or something like that. So there's the hardtop version of the Bugatti 32. Now let's start working on the regular version. So you can see how you're just clipping away at the sport plastic in the wheel well area. Very good. And now, same with this one. Can get that support plastic cut away there. Sand it down, cut it away with X-Acto knife, whatever method works best for you. Alright, there's all that extra plastic. You can throw that out or something. And now let's clip away all these sprues from off these wheels. Now here's some delicate little sprue cuts. Don't want to lose those pieces. There you go. So now this is good the way it is. Let's clean up the steering wheel, get the sprue cut off that. Then there's those two little pieces. It's always good to test fit pieces before you officially glue it down, like I'm doing here. So now the idea is get some glue down like that. Oops, and what I wanted to avoid happened. So be careful to make sure you get the correct side up like that. Right, good. So what's next is let's get these wheels on here. So you can take this wheel and try to make sure that gets into the center of that axle there. Next, let's do the other side. So just place the wheel like that. And then the wheel like that. This is not supposed to happen. So let's try with the the tweezers. All right. So that was more difficult than it should have been, but that's the way that is. Up next, you can get some glue like that. And then let's try to get this little steering wheel placed. Now, these little pieces, and it's such a tiny scale that I'm working with. Actually, this is 1/72nd scale, so this is quite a small thing. But if you've ordered this in the 28mm, you can probably worry about. Or if you have a magnifying glass and high detail, you can look at reference pictures and get those stick shift pieces down in there. That's if you want that detail. Those parts come with the kit. So thank you for watching. This is the Bugatti 32 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com.